Hey guys, so today I'm doing a unboxing video on these PHATOIL essential oils. There's 15 in here. Packaging's pretty nice. So here's the brochure. And here are all the oils. So there's 15 oils in here. It comes with 2 droppers. And then excuse me, I'm like really getting over being sick. It's like really annoying. So there's lemongrass, vanilla, geranium, citronella. These are really small bottles though. I'm going to be honest. They're pretty small bottles. Like they're tiny, tiny little bottles. They're just 5 milliliter bottles. I'm used to the larger bottles, but so far so good. I just got done throwing some of the oils in my diffuser, so probably got to wait about 15-20 minutes to see if I like the scent. But a couple downsides that I don't like. Number one, these were $18, which I think is kind of steep since these bottles are so tiny, literally. But I wanted to try them out because they had really good reviews, and I do like the brochure that it came with, but there's a lot of oils that aren't in the set. Like I don't have black pepper, cypress, there's certain oil, vetiver, which I need, but they're not all in here. So that was kind of a downer for me. I mean, it could be, you know, like a good thing if you just want to know like benefits of all the oils, because I mean it does tell you like the benefits of each oil. But yeah, so I just wanted to do a quick little unboxing review. Like I said, as of right now I just started running it, so it's been only about 5 minutes. And like I said, I'm getting over a cold, so it's kind of hard for me to smell, but from what I can smell, it does smell pretty good. These had really good reviews on Amazon. So we'll have to see how these work out, but I just thought that, you know, somebody might want to see this. Because it didn't say, I don't think it said in the description that these were only little small bottles, but the upside to these are they are pretty strong. Because when I took I took the vanilla out and I just put just a tiny little drop and it was super, super strong. So yeah, that's it for this video. Like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye guys.